Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to monitor your quota on the anti-gravity Google, so you can know how many that you are using, how much you are using, and so on. So all what you need to do, go for the extension panel, then press anti-gravity quota, this one. So guys, you should have this extension, which is anti-gravity cockpit, which is monitoring your anything that you are using and so on. And how you can find it and how you can use it, go in this panel, or you can hover it. You will see your usage during the quota and how many is gonna be resetting and so on. All what you need to do, like this one as well, which is anti-gravity quota, you will have the things that you are using and so on. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Peace.